Building a wardrobe you love that is both versatile and wearable takes time. So in this video, I want to share 5 summer pieces that I think stand the test of time. They are really easy to style and hopefully won't let you down. If you enjoy this type of content, please consider liking and subscribing because I upload videos like this every week. The first piece I have is something that I have been wearing incessantly for the past 2 months. And that is a pair of linen trousers. If you don't have a pair of linen trousers, I do have a summer trousers edit that I put up last week, so you can check that out. It has a really good selection, in my opinion, of cotton and linen trousers, and hopefully you'll be able to find something you like, so I will link that in the description box. My linen trousers of choice have been these ones from Naked. They were in my holiday capsule wardrobe, but to be honest, they have also been perfect for just like everyday life. I personally prefer something with a pleat down the front to add that bit of tailoring and sophistication to my everyday summer outfits. The first outfit I have here is just a very simple, easy, everyday summer outfit. For me, this is the kind of outfit that you just have ready to go as soon as the weather gets hot, and you're just confident in knowing that it's gonna work and that you're just gonna look good, really. I'm wearing my trusty Totem tank that has never let me down. I'm going 3 or maybe even 4 years strong now with this tank top, and this is one of the pieces that if I lost my whole wardrobe, this would probably be one of the first pieces that I would rebuy. I did get these trousers hemmed to that cropped, sort of just above the ankle length. For me, I think it's a really flattering length, and it's one that I find works with quite a lot of my shoes. So it's always worth it for me to go to the tailor and just get them right on that perfect cropped length. In this next outfit, I wanted to show a way of kind of dressing up these trousers a little bit. So I've worn this with a silk top. And what I really like, especially during summer, is mixing different textures together. I think that this adds a lot of interest and dimension to an outfit. And especially during summer when it's hard to kind of layer and play with a lot of pieces in your wardrobe, mixing textures is one way to create an interesting outfit. So we have the lace and the silk from the top, the linen in the trousers, and then I've also mixed in some leather accessories as well. And that mix of soft and hard textures really elevates this simple outfit. I imagine wearing this on like a summer date night, and so I've chosen to wear this with my strappy sandals. These are, I think these are a 7 centimeter height. So even though, you know, strappy sandals can be sometimes difficult to walk in, because the heel is not too high, these are pretty comfortable and wearable. I also really love the tones in this outfit as well. So we've got the kind of yellows and browns, and because they all sort of come from the same palette tone, they all just kind of complement each other, and as they're also quite subtle, it adds a certain softness to the outfit too. One more outfit in these linen trousers, and I really like this outfit because I think it's a really good mix of old and new pieces. So firstly, I have paired it with my oversized blue Frankie Shop shirt. I've had this one for, I think, this might be the 3rd year I've had it now, but it's still on the website, they still sell it, so you can still get it if you are interested. It also comes with a matching pair of shorts, and we all know how much I love a co-ord during the summer, so you can get the whole outfit if you want. I think that blue and brown are one of the best color combinations that you can wear during the summer, and so I had brought back out my beloved Isabel Marant belt that I wore to death when I first got. I think I bought it maybe 2 or 3 years ago now, but this is another piece that's still available. I also have this belt in black actually, and I wore them both so much that I kind of went off them for a while. You know how you kind of cycle through things that you love? But because this piece is sort of understated, it's really easy to fall back in love with it again, and that is exactly what has happened to me. It's just such an easy piece to wear because there are literally no bells and whistles on it. It's just that kind of strip of leather that knots at the front, that it's just been so easy to pick up again and still kind of match with everything I've got in my wardrobe. For the new piece in this outfit, The brown Isabel Marant belt just is a perfect color match for my new brown sandals. These are from Dear Francis, and if you watched my June vlog, you would have seen that I picked these up in the Dear Francis sample sale. I got them for £60, which I'm absolutely ecstatic about because I'm pretty sure retail price, they were like £300 to £400. So I'm very happy, I'm still very happy, and I absolutely love them. I think this is just a really great kind of casual look, but because of the color combination and kind of matching the belt and the shoes, I think that it just looks really put together even though you're still super casual. So of course we all know that raffia and straw bags are summer essentials, but one kind of material that I think often gets slept on during summer is canvas. I have two that I've been using. One you may have seen before and one new in piece. So the first one is a bucket bag from Vunk. You would have seen this one because I was using it all throughout spring as well. But I just think it's such a great just throw on bag and I've been wearing it so much. Canvas is a really light fabric, which is perfect for summer because the last thing you want when you're hot is to be carrying a heavy bag. So like I said, I like to wear this bag really casually, and so here I have it on with a pair of striped trousers, a white tank top and sneakers. For me, this summer has just been about being comfortable and just being comfortable in the heat and just enjoying the summer heat wave that we had in London last month, not fussing about kind of what to wear and just being really easygoing. And I feel like these trousers kind of epitomize that for me. So they are so comfortable, but at the same time, I think they're really stylish and they give off that kind of elevated loungewear look that I've just been really kind of loving this summer. The next canvas bag I have is the new in piece. It's this one from Folnua, I think that's how you say it. And it's their mini garden bag. They actually have quite a few kind of canvas bags in their collection if you want to check them out and see what shapes might suit your lifestyle best. But I went for this kind of small, cute one. I just thought it just tucks under your arm really neatly, and I think it's just very sweet. It kind of reminds me of like going on a picnic or I don't know, some like nice summer activity like that. I think it's perfect for summer. Like I said, it just fits under the crook of your arm really nicely. I like that the strap is a bit longer. There is a drawstring at the top so that your things are secure inside, and I just really like how the canvas and the leather kind of contrast each other. And again, you've got that kind of soft and hard texture together, which I think kind of balance each other out really nicely. So as the bag has quite a feminine and dainty shape to it, I wanted to wear something a bit more masculine to kind of offset that a little bit. So I went for my favorite white jeans. I wear these all the time. And I've also gone for quite an oversized linen blazer and loafers. So one of my summer styling tips that you will always hear me talk about is to add elements of tailoring wherever you can. So whether that be a pair of loafers or a shirt or blazer, or in this case, a pair of tailored shorts. I have these black tailored shorts from COS that I got last year. This is one for your capsule summer wardrobes. It's kind of that piece that will just live in your wardrobe and is such a good base, such a good building block for so many summer outfits. There's really not much you can't wear them with. I could probably show you about 50 different outfits with these shorts. Here I have them on with a cropped linen top. This would be for those really, really hot days when you don't really want to be wearing anything, but you have to wear something. I'm gonna be honest, I don't quite remember where this top is from. I've had it for 5 or 6 years, but I will scour the internet and use my detective skills to try and find something similar. And it's kind of the contrast here between the kind of very sweet and feminine crop top with these very dainty skinny straps, and then you have a bit more of a masculine piece with the tailored boxy shorts. And wearing them both together, I think, creates a very interesting outfit, even though they are two very simple pieces. So another way to achieve balance in your outfits is to kind of choose carefully where you show your skin. So in this next outfit, I am wearing these shorts with a long sleeve shirt. Because your legs are on show from the shorts, but your shoulders and your arms are a bit more covered up from the shirt, you achieve a really good sort of balance and proportion in your outfit. This is such a classic combination that you really can't go wrong. I think it's an outfit that you could wear in 20 or 30 years time and still look good because you have just stuck to really classic pieces. And this also works with maybe like your denim shorts or any other sort of short skirt or short whatever that you may have. Pairing it with something long sleeve and something more covered up on top is just a way to balance out how you look and balance out that outfit a little bit more. So if you happen to work in a more sort of relaxed setting where you can wear shorts, I think that a pair of tailor shorts could also work really well for you. If you are a subscriber to my channel, I'm gonna make a few assumptions. I hope you don't mind. One, that you like to invest in good quality basics. Number two, that you really like the kind of concept of capsule wardrobes. And three, that you own a blazer that you love, because I own many blazers that I love, and I'm gonna assume you own one. And I think that matching your tailored shorts to a blazer is such a great look. I love co-ords for the simple fact that the outfit is just all done for you. So once you have your shorts and your blazer matching each other, all you need to do is think about your shoes and accessories, which can really dictate how this outfit is going to go. White sneakers can very easily dress this outfit down, or you could wear it with strappy sandals and take this outfit like out to dinner, take this outfit to dinner, you know what I mean, wear this outfit to dinner. Alternatively, I am wearing a pair of like mid-low block sandals, which to me is like the perfect smart casual shoe. I picked these up also from the Dear Francis sample sale, another amazing find that I'm so happy about. I've worn them so much already. And it's just a really good piece, I think, that works both casually, but also you can dress them up as well. So I think paired with the blazer, it's kind of a little bit dressed up. I could definitely wear this to the office. And I love that little bit of extra height that that block heel gives me as well. So whilst we're on the topic of shoes, I also think you cannot go wrong with a pair of comfortable, emphasis on comfortable, black flat sandals. Something with a cushioned sole and straps to kind of keep your feet in place, especially when they get a bit hot and sweaty. I feel like it's taken me a while to find a pair of black sandals that I think are both comfortable and stylish, but the pair I have here are from W Concept. And of course, I have worn them here with an all black outfit. I'm wearing these amazing straight leg trousers with a crochet backless top. I'm such a big fan of these trousers. I didn't have to shorten them, and that is always a big plus in my books. I haven't worn this outfit out yet, but if I did, or when I do actually, because I really want to, I would probably wear it with like a slick back ponytail and, you know, bigger sort of gold earrings. I think that would be a great look. I think that crochet in the summer is such a great fabric. Again, you're mixing in more textures to create more interest, and crochet is also trending at the moment. So there's lots of crochet pieces on the market. I find that actually, because there's so many crochet pieces out at the moment, it can be a bit overwhelming to choose what you like. But for me, the reason why I went for this particular top is because I know that firstly, I love the color black. I know that I love tank tops. And so this is kind of like the crochet version of that. And if you apply that logic to other things that you purchase, it kind of makes it a bit less overwhelming. Another way I would style these sandals is with a pair of white tailored trousers. These ones are from Everlane. They are really old, I think 4, possibly even 5 years old. I will look for something similar, of course, but I think the point is to kind of, again, bring in that element of tailoring and smarten up the shoes a little bit more. On top, I have this kind of knitted t-shirt, I guess you would call it. It is 100% cotton, so it's really comfortable to wear during the summertime. I think stripes are a really great pattern for people who don't really wear patterns. It's not too much. I think a stripe is, for me, it's like just the right amount of pattern without being too much. And it's also a really like summery, spring summery pattern. So whenever I wear something striped, it like makes me happy because it makes me think of warm weather. In England, our summers are pretty temperamental. So last month we had an amazing heat wave. It was like 25 to 30 degrees every day. But then the past couple of days, it has been about 17 degrees and raining. So we really do get a diverse range of weather during the summer, and we do often have to think about outerwear. But linen blazers are probably my outerwear of choice for summer. I have been gravitating towards this oversized linen blazer from Dunst. It is in navy, which I think is a really good color for summer, where it goes with a lot of the pieces in my wardrobe, but it's also not as aggressive as black. Here I have it on with my first ever pair of 501s. I don't know if I've shown these on my channel yet, but I bought my first ever pair of Levi's 501s, and I don't know how it took me so long to get them because they're amazing. And what's great about Levi's is that they come in lots of different leg lengths. So this is the 26-inch leg length, which I think is a really good cropped length. I'm really liking these jeans, and I kind of understand the 501 hype now. I get it, and I kind of want every single color in them now. Again, this is probably one of my everyday outfits. I think the navy and the gray work against each other really nicely. Gray also matches the gray in the sneakers, which I didn't realize until I put the outfit on, and I really like. This blazer also isn't lined, which is great because then it's still super breezy as well. Next, I'm wearing a pair of ecru jeans. I think ecru is a really good alternative if you don't want to wear white. I know that sometimes it can be a little bit daunting to wear white jeans, but ecru is a good alternative, and it still kind of brings that lightness, that brightness into your outfits. I also think that ecru and navy work really well to complement each other as well. And if you've watched any of my style tips videos, you'll know that I always talk about figuring out what your uniform is. And this, so a pair of like straight leg jeans, a tank top, and a blazer is my go-to uniform. I have so many iterations of this to wear throughout the year. So during autumn, winter, I'll do like a dark colored jean with like a wool blazer for that extra warmth. But come summer, I switch it up to a pair of lighter colored jeans and a linen or cotton blazer. And it just makes putting together outfits really easy for me throughout the year because I have these pieces that I know how to put together, and I have certain ways that I know work for me. So I think figuring out what your uniform is one way of just making getting dressed really, really simple. So that was just a small selection of my summer essentials. If you liked this video and you want to see more, you should check out this video on screen, which is my summer holiday capsule, because all I packed for my trip were my summer essentials. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.